Good morning. Good morning. How are you today?
I'm great, thank you.
Are you ready for school?
Yes, let's go.
Is this your school?
Yes, it is.
It's very big.
I like it.
Me too.
Let's go inside.
Where is your classroom? It's on the second floor. Let's go upstairs. Okay. Follow me. Thank you. Is this your classroom?
Yes, it is.
It's very clean.
I like it.
So do I.
Let's sit down.
Where is the teacher?
She is coming.
Here she is. Good morning, teacher.
Good morning. Please come in.
Good morning, kids. What subject is first?
It's English.
I like English.
Me too.
Let's study.
Okay.
Do you have a pencil?
Yes, I do.
Can I borrow it?
Of course.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Open your book.
Which page?
Page 10.
I found it.
Let's read.
Okay.
Can you answer this question?
Yes, I can.
Great job.
Thank you.
Keep learning.
I will. What time is recess? At 10 o'clock. Let's go outside. Good idea. Let's play. Sure.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am.
Let's eat.
Okay. This sandwich is good. I like it.
Do you like math? Yes, I do. It's interesting. I agree. Let's solve this problem. Okay.
Do you have homework?
Yes, I do.
Is it difficult?
Not really.
That's good.
Yes.
Can you help me?
Of course.
I don't understand this lesson.
I'll explain it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What is your favorite subject?
Science.
Why do you like it?
It's fun.
That's nice.
Yes.
The class is over.
That was fun.
I learned a lot.
Me too.
Great.
Yes. Yes.
Let's go to the library.
Good idea.
I need a book.
Me too.
Let's find one.
Okay.
This book looks interesting.
I like it.
Let's borrow it.
Sure.
Let's read together. Do you have a test tomorrow?
Yes, I do.
Are you ready?
Almost.
Study hard.
I will.
Let's review today's lesson.
Good idea.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's begin.
Okay.
Did you finish your homework?
Yes, I did.
Excellent.
Thank you.
I'm happy for you.
Thanks. School is over. It's time to go home.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
See you tomorrow.
See you soon.
Take care.
Bye.